Hey guys, my name is Chimangazo and welcome to my channel. As always, I am delighted to have you tune in today. Well, as you can see today, I am coming to you from my kitchen and I am just going to be doing my fridge organization. I think we did a kitchen organization, a clean with me video. I think it may have been 2 months ago, but recently I've really been obsessed with kitchen. Oh no, I keep saying kitchen. I've been obsessed with fridge organization. So I have been for like a couple of weeks now looking at my options in the market in terms of storage ideas, the cost and quality, and so on and so forth. This was particularly important because I stay by myself and I have like a single door fridge. And I think just about 2-3 weeks ago, I noticed that Pep had this affordable refrigerator storage solutions, and so I went out to get some of those, and they had two types. They had like one which looked like almost like a jag, but it's a tray, and they had one with a lid on. And unfortunately, when I got to the store, I found the other one which has a handle and looks like a jag, and the other one which had like a top or a lid, which were the items that I was mostly interested in, and I'll tell you a bit later why. Most of them had a bit of cracks, and that got me sort of really worried. They were extremely affordable in comparison to anything else that you would ever see in the market. And so I picked a couple of the jag open ones and went to about 3 Pep Home stores, and it was the case with every single one of them. And while I had already picked 2 which looked good, I really got concerned that while it is affordable, do I want to be constantly going back to the shop to be buying one and the same thing? And that is when I decided that I was going to return them, which I did, but I did keep the ones that had like a handle, and I'll show you guys very soon. So I went to really a number of stores to try to compare prices and check on the quality, and I think they are just really expensive things. Oh, well, depending of course on what expensive is for you. I thought they were really a bit expensive, but given the fact that it's one of those items that you really will buy once in a while or just once in forever, I thought it was worth an investment. And because I really wanted to create a very clean look with my fridge, if there's one thing that I really am obsessed with, is keeping a very clean kitchen. I really enjoy walking into the kitchen and everything is organized, you know where to find what, and it also just looks good on the eye. So I went to Westpac. They've got a wide range of storage solutions in general, but because we were specifically looking for refrigerator solutions, I also found that they had a wide range, but I was specifically looking for most items which will have a lid, and that was very important for me because not only did I just want to pack things neatly, but I also wanted to optimize the space in the fridge. So therefore it was important to have something on the lid, with a lid rather, so that you're able to stack on one from another. So I'm just going to show you a couple of them that I got. I think I'll also leave you with a store locator from this specific shop that I went to. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do our refrigerator organization. I hope that you guys are going to be inspired. We all have fridges in our kitchen, and it really is lovely if you have a beautiful fridge that is not only stocked up, but it's just also good to the I love organizing things, and I love it when everything just looks so beautifully, it's arranged and stuff like that. I'm blabbing a lot, I know. Let me show you what we have. Right guys, this is where I went shopping. It's called Home Etc. You guys, can I tell you not to sleep on this shop? Obviously also went to Pep for the other ones that I showed you guys, but this is the shop. This is your new friend. got a few that I will just unpack right now to show you guys how it looks. I'm going to leave a website with a store locator to check if there's a shop closest to your area. If there is, just go have a look the next time you go shopping. Right, and now those are the items that I've picked up. I have picked, I think, two of each. That is as far as the big baskets are concerned. I just have enough to show you on the counter. And these container here, and it was the last one in the shop, and all the other ones close to me were not. There was just 75 rands. Love it. This one 31, rather the 3.6 liter was 199, and the 5.6 liter was 249. That one from Pep Home, as you can see, is 39.99. And these that look like can holders were 119. And right at the back you'll see that there is a stack of containers. Those I got from Macro. It is a set of 5, and they were 149. I got 4 of the Pep Home sets, and it does not look very bad, I must say. It's just the other ones that were terrible. Here's another thing that I really love about this range from Home Etc. You see the little block baskets inside. I loved the fact that they were a neutral color. Often online I found them on grays, and I think other shops had them on greens and stuff like that. I wanted to really keep a very neutral look and something that will make seeing what's inside pretty much easy if you are packing on in the fridge rather. So that was very important for me. Yeah, and finally, I am very happy about this quality of items from Home Extractor. I'd encourage that if you are looking to do your fridge organization or for any other home items, homeware items, in fact, you'll be surprised at the kind of things that you'll find at the store. And once again, I will leave a store locator so that you can check if there is a store close to you. Right, guys. First things first, this is a no judgment zone. Okay. Okay. Right. So this is how the fridge currently looks. Right. I did stock on my fruits and vegetables for the week I had last night, and I just came back really home to just stack everything up so that they can be in the fridge. But I knew I was going to be doing the cleaning today. But yeah, the point here is that everything is just all over the place in a sense. And my idea here really was to have everything neatly organized and try to optimize space as much as I can for this single door fridge. Right, that is that. Now the real work begins. You obviously want to start by taking out everything outside the fridge, because sometimes you've got things going bad. Sometimes certain things have just been in there for too long. So I just recommend that you take out everything, then sift through what will still go back, and just obviously before you start organizing, you want to give your fridge a nice quick clean. Yo, guys, can I just say, Although I'm really excited about this cleaning and organizing the fridge, this is not fun. Look at the amount of work I need to do. I mean, everything has to go back to the fridge, and some must be disposed, and so this is a lot of work. I'm not kidding. It's a lot of work. So be ready when you want to engage in something like this. Once you have your fridge and your containers clean, I just recommend that if you are using this for the first time, like I am, you just go ahead and try and fit everything in, more especially to try and draft the layout and look of how everything is going to be organized. You may not figure it out, like as you see, I just can't figure it out for the first time, but that is okay. So the main purpose really is just to draft, to try and see how everything is gonna look, and just as well decide where you are going to store each one of the items you need stored in your fridge. I think I'm going to settle for this layout. It works for what I have at the moment, and that is very important. You may not always keep the same layout, and I think what informs the layout or your layout would be what you have in the fridge at that given time. And I think just overall, how you want the your accessibility of each one of your items. Yeah, I'm quite happy, and I think I'll leave the baskets in for today, but may take them out next time. And now it's time to wash my fruits and vegetables, as well as everything that I took out from the fridge. And right now I'm going to be packing in everything into the storage containers that we have for the fridge. And I've been contemplating whether to take out the baskets inside for a clear view or just leave them as they are for now. I think I'll settle for leaving them as they are today, but I think it also just brings in a beautiful color if it's clear. But look, let's just leave it as it is for today, see how it looks, and maybe next time I can just try and do something else and show you how it looks with just a clear color. Right, guys, the packing is going very well, and I'm quite chuffed at how everything looks so far. This is a closer view of what we have done, and I'm now going to complete the rest of the shelves and come back with a final look. And this is it for this week's video, fam. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again this week. I am looking forward to your engagement on the video. Please leave your comments with your thoughts and anything else that you'd like to share with me relating to this video, or anything else for that matter. Also, if you're a new subscriber or are watching the channel for the first time, I'd love to meet you. So why don't you go ahead and leave me a hello as well on the comments section. Otherwise, please also kindly share the video on your Facebook, Instagram, and anywhere else. I'd really appreciate it. Until next week, loves, do keep safe.